Hello and welcome to this lesson on how to play an A chord. As soon as you're ready, let's get started. Step 1. Begin by putting your hand in a closed fist position. Slowly open up your fingers, keeping them well rounded, as if you're holding on to a tennis ball. Place your thumb on the neck behind the fretboard, keeping it well hidden. Step 2. Begin with your fourth finger. Press down on the second string, second fret. Then using your third finger, press down on the third string, second fret. Finally, using your second finger, press down on the fourth string, second fret. Use the tip of your fingers to press down on the strings, and always make sure that you keep your fingers well rounded. Step 3. Put your thumb or a pick on the fifth string. Slide down across the strings as smoothly as possible, like this. Do these 3 steps every day 10 times. The more you practice, the better you become at playing an A chord. Keep up the good work and please subscribe so that you never miss a lesson and you make the most out of these video tutorials. Good luck and see you next lesson.